Welcome back to Plus T on it. Got civic on the crane. Just gonna put in the K20 over here. Then onto the next engine. Nice. Good boy, my son. Push him on. Grab K24 over there. Yep. Get all the rest of the stuff on it. Yeah, I just grabbed this chain each and every. I put a little bit of water in that last night for night. Shit. Lucky I got rags in there in the ports. Safety off. There we go. Chain. Baik banyak orang. Slide up this. Hey. Chain. Putting this in there for it. So got a little bit wet. Bit like
wins. Get over here!
Wait. Jay Funny, welcome back to Plus T. Just me and Tom Kirby just taking out some of the stuff. Maybe we got our engine here, I'm gonna leave it on the training wheel. Give it a bit of a polish up later. This is my K24 that I'm gonna be building in the future for it. Just the A3. But here it is. His name's called Roddy. Roddy. You find it, love and light. Gotta get a couple more things off, but I want to get clear for some of the bays. And then see what happens from there. Love and light. Grab all the stuff off. Gotta put them on top of the time lapse, Plus T son. Well, Friday, welcome back to Plus T. Then another later, I still gotta get some more stuff off, but at the moment we just cleaning up my engine. Right. Spraying some degreaser on it for now, and then I'm gonna give it a bit of a scrub. He's been sitting for a while. His name's called Roddy Farnout. It's a K24. Gonna be doing some pouring polishing to the scene Farnout. Stay tuned. Scoot down easy. Then I just push it. No. There he is, woohoo! Clean to the wall. Scrubby time, I think. Then I got this fine, just a bit of a cloth. Should be alright for now. How was everybody's day anyway, found it? It's a big ass scrub up. I'm more concentrating on the bloody engine. Just giving it a nice scrub in. What he deserves on it. Yeah. Get 2483. Ready boy, live and direct. Set another one of our feet. Come up and more. My phone I think I must standing. Okay, do some more son. Shit. This is what I found it. Playing tired of drifting the thing when I just told him today. There we go. Oi! Nice son. 10 points. 10 points, my son. Let's screw that all up. Slowly. Nice and get on with the trim wheel in it. And the drill another day. For now, get all the shit off for now. Safety. Have a night, finally. Is it a good day? Ah, forgot to say most of that stuff. Oh yeah, packed heaps of stuff, but still gonna unpack. Hey, we got this going on finally. All my stuff, got my things in it. Got a cupboard. Put the K24D. Oh yeah, 11 night. We picked up heaps of stuff today. Shout out to the brother Tyson. We'll do a bit of stuff on the trailer. I want to do a couple of more runs for mine, but here we go. Most of our dead stuff. Picked up all our turbos. Still got to empty out my back shed, but got quite a bit of stuff. Got all our hose clamps in it. Dead. Finally. Another cupboard, the electronic cupboard. Finally, welder in there. Fix up. Yeah, nice set of stuff. Hey, 11 night Friday, if he's all had a good day. Legal. Okay. Legal. Oh, bit of a loss of traction. Nice son. Legal. No, you find out. We just chilling and Civic has one thing to say to you. Illegal find out. Love and light. Well, fun mate. Welcome back to Plus T. Yeah, got as much as I can. Just gonna wait till tomorrow and get some more stuff. But yeah, got heaps of rooms in there. Most of my stuff. Still got heaps of stuff together, then there's rooms in the shed. Yeah, fun out, love and light. Hope you enjoyed the video from yesterday, and I'm gonna bring all my preludes this week. My Falcons, gonna fix those up. I've got heaps of much things to do, so keep liking and following. Hope you give us a subscribe, and I don't care. Look.